Welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video, we will be learning about a vulnerability called Password Reset Token Leakage via referral third party. So, in this vulnerability, we have to check that while we reset the password of our account by opening the link, uh, we have to check that whether the reset token is leaking or it is visible to other websites, like any website which is not authorized to the application which we are testing. So it comes under P4 category or low category, or sometimes even P5. So it depends upon the program. So I will demonstrate a easy way through which you can check it. So let's get started. First, we have to move to the forget password page, and we have to receive our reset password email. See, we have received the email to reset our password. Here is the email. We will open it in a new window. So we can see that this is our reset password token. All right, see, reset password token, and we copy it. We turn our proxy and we just hit enter. When see, we have pasted uh, our reset token. See, it's googleanalytics.com. It's not our target is sorare.com, but it's leaking on Google Analytics. So let's move forward. See, this is api.sorare.com. So this is the endpoint, or uh, this is the domain where if the password token is leaked, it's okay, because this this entity is owned by our target itself. So this is not a problem. Let's move forward. We can see that this our token is also leaked on bing.com. Bing.com is a separate entity or separate domain where our password reset token is been leaked. So this is a vulnerability. Let's move forward, and we can see that in doubleclick.net it is also leaking our reset password token. Next, see, this is t.co. I don't know which domain is this, but yeah, this is also leaking our password reset token. So like this, we have to check on every possible domains where our password reset token is being leaked. See, this is tiktok.com. tiktok.com is a separate entity or separate application where our password reset token is shared. So if for some case this application tries to tamper or tries to exploit the user of this application, of our target, they can use this password reset token. So that's why this is a vulnerability. But see, the scope for this is very limited. You will get this vulnerability or not, but it completely depends upon the target, whether it accepts it as a P5 vulnerability like informational, or P4 vulnerability that is low. So but it is quite easy to check, and moreover, I can assure you that if you test this vulnerability on for say 10 targets, you will get this vulnerability most probably on 6 of them. So it is a win-win situation. uh, it only takes just a minute to find, and maybe 3-4 minutes of your time to report it. But after it, if you don't get any bounty, that's no harm for you. But yeah, as it is quite easy to find and quite easy to report, I will suggest you to try this and report this as soon as you get it, and maybe you can get a bounty of $150 or $200 maybe. So see this. This is twitter.com, analytics.twitter.com. It is leaking our password reset token. So facebook.com, it is also leaking. Snapchat.com, it is leaking. So yeah, I guess this vulnerability is pretty clear. If you face any kind of problem, just let me know in the comment section. And please, if you are watching, do subscribe the channel, and also suggest us some videos which you would like to see in our channel. We will be happy to uh, create videos on the topics you guys want. So I hope I see you in the next video, and bye bye till